Steven here from Recreational Power Sports, coming at you with a new Avalon we got in here. So this one here is a 2024 Avalon VTX. It's a 19-footer, and we got it paired nicely with a Mercury 50 horse on it. I'm going to run you through it, show you some of the features of it, show you what's new from Avalon this year, and we'll go from there. So first thing you're going to notice is not on a trailer. So we currently don't have a trailer for it, but I will have one very shortly. So this unit will have a trailer included with it. So included in the pricing, included in the ad. So make sure you check the ad. It will show everything properly in there. Okay, so first thing you're going to notice, new for Avalon for 2024 is going to be the matte walls. They have matte colored walls available. So we went with the matte black on this one. Super cool color. We like it a lot. And it's different, so we do like it. Next thing you're going to notice is you got the polished corner caps. Super cool option there, right? Really do like the matte color, but we'll talk a little bit more about that right away. Inside, you can see we got the Cognac interior. We'll talk about that on the inside, but we really enjoy the Cognac color and have gone with a lot of Cognac interiors recently, and we do have a bunch of them in stock. As you come alongside, you're going to notice Avalon's also got their new Bimini top this year. Very easy to install with a single person. We'll show you that as well, but super cool idea there they got going on. As you come to the back, we got the pop-out, or we got the cleats. We got a rear boarding ladder. So Avalon's got a 4-step rear boarding ladder. Can't show it on the ground here, but 4 steps, nice handles to get into the boat, and then as well as the nice platform here at the back, right? So if anybody wants to jump off the boat, they could jump off the boat nicely, easily, and still enter into the boat very nice. At the back here, you can see we got it powered nicely with a Merc 50 horsepower CT, so command thrust. It's all set up, ready to go, prop properly. On the other side of the boat here, as you come alongside, you can see you still have that nice platform here, right, with the nice polished corner caps. And if you keep coming, there's a tarp here on the side of the boat, but there's also a side entry. Follow me inside for more details. In the inside here, you can see why we like the Avalon so much. So first off, love the Cognac interior, as we could all tell, right? Super cool color. It's paired nicely with a nice charcoal accents and some nice charcoal piping. We got the mood lights and the stereo system, as you could see here. We also have, right over on this side here, we do have some extra charging ports. It's a nice thing Avalon thought of. Okay, you got the little side light. Underneath the seats in the Avalon boats, you could see they don't have tubs built in, right? So they're custom made at the factory. It gives you more room inside for storage, and it also allows the airflow to breathe through it, so your towels and all your stuff won't mold and mildew. We also have a table here. As you can see, it's not installed. I typically install all the tables for the customers upon delivery. When they come pick it up, we can put it wherever they need. Typically, they're going to put it in the back over there or up front. So that's why I really don't install them. I kind of let them tell me where they want it. If you follow me along here, we got the side entry and we got the pop-up change room. So we all know what the pop-up privacy station is all about. So you could change in here, right? You could change. You could use it as a restroom. Change to go water skiing, whatever you want to do. If you want to take a peek at, I'll just leave that up for now. At the driver's helm, you can see nice upgraded chair. Got some nice stitching, nice piping, all matches everything else we got going on. At the main helm, got the tilt steering, my favorite obviously. We got a nice Garmin fish finder. If I could open this up without breaking it, there we go. Nice Garmin fish finder paired nicely with the boat. If you're not using the fish finder aspect, you can use it for depth, water temperature, all that other jazz, right? So you don't need to be a fisherman or fishing to use a fish finder. We got the matching stereo, Fusion stereo, Bluetooth obviously. And the gauge, the new RPM gauge with the volt gauge built right in. At the back of the boat here, you can see we got the nice wraparound seating. So this is typical place we're going to put a table, so you can sit down, relax around the table. So this is typical spot. Other than that, we have the rear entry. So you could rear entry to enter onto the ladder and out of the boat. Comes with a mooring cover, obviously the Bimini as well. If you have any questions, concerns, check us out, recreationalpowersports.com, or come on down to the local dealer here and we'll help you out. Thanks.